As a point of departure in addressing these questions, I would turn to those words from my grandfather, which were quoted in 2 earlier Peterson Lectures. He included them in a speech he gave as President of the League of Nations in Geneva some 70 years ago. They come originally from the Persian poet Sadi, who wrote, "The children of Adam, created of the self-same clay, are members of one body. When one member suffers, all members suffer likewise. O thou, who art indifferent to the suffering of the fellow, thou art unworthy to be called a man." You will readily understand why such words seem appropriate for a Peterson lecture. They speak of the fundamental value of a universal human bond, a gift of the Creator, which both requires and validates our efforts to educate for global citizenship. I would also like to quote an infinitely more powerful statement about the unity of mankind, because it comes directly from the Holy Quran, and which I would ask you to think about. The Holy Quran addresses itself not only to Muslims, but to the entirety of the human race, when it says, "O mankind, be careful of your duty to your Lord, who created you from one single soul, and from it created its mate, and from them twain has spread abroad a multitude of men and women." These words reflect a deeply spiritual insight, a divine imperative, if you will, which in my view should undergird our educational commitments. It is because we see humankind, despite its differences, as children of God and born from one soul, that we insist on reaching beyond traditional boundaries as we deliberate, communicate, and educate internationally.